What is this? Cave.
The cave was dark and cool inside. The cave was dark and cool inside.
What is this? Beach.
The waves at the beach were fun to jump in. The waves at the beach were fun to jump in.
What is this? Lake.
The lake was surrounded by tall trees. The lake was surrounded by tall trees.
What is this? Desert.
Camels live in the desert. Camels live in the desert.
What is this? River.
We threw pebbles into the river. We threw pebbles into the river.
What is this? Cliff.
Birds made their nests on the cliff. Birds made their nests on the cliff.
What is this? Radish.
The radish was crunchy and spicy. The radish was crunchy and spicy.
What is this? Spinach.
The spinach leaves were big and green. The spinach leaves were big and green.
What is this? Spring onion.
We pulled a spring onion out of the soil. We pulled a spring onion out of the soil.
What is this? Peas.
The peas rolled off my plate. The peas rolled off my plate.
What is this? Potato.
We dug up a potato from the garden. We dug up a potato from the garden.
What is this? Pumpkin.
We carved a funny face on our pumpkin. We carved a funny face on our pumpkin.
What is this? Flush toilet. After I use the bathroom, I always flush the toilet. After I use the bathroom, I always flush the toilet. What is this? Blow your nose.
Mum gave me a tissue to blow my nose. Mum gave me a tissue to blow my nose.
What is this?
Take a bath.
After playing outside, I need to take a bath. After playing outside, I need to take a bath.
What is this? Brush hair.
Mom helps me brush hair when it gets tangled. Mom helps me brush hair when it gets tangled.
What is this? Clean ears.
I clean ears after taking a bath. I clean ears after taking a bath.
What is this? Cut nails.
I cut nails every week. I cut nails every week.